Thutha wa guikio ngono mukawa-ini umwe mwena wa Diani kaunti-ini ya Kwale kumana na inegene ria haro ndomwe na uthukagia wa indo riu Raiya kuma bururi wa Netherlands Host ni atanyetwo gukinywo igoti-ini na kuhingurwo thitango cia uthukagia wa indo. Oho Raiya uyu ni atanyetwo kuhingurwo thitango ingi ya gwikuruhania na dawa cia kurebia thutha wa borithi kuona mututu nyumba-ini ria araikaraga na uria borithi marekuwa ni dawa cia kurebia.
And on arrival, they found one Elwin Host, who is another Netherlands by nationality, having locked himself inside, and we refused to let the officers in. It was further established that he had assaulted one Angela Tieno Ondura.
Naona gutuika thengia guikio ngono bica iria ikoretwo igitamba nenda-ini cionanitie Raiya uyu wa Netherlands agitwira matafitha wa ceceni ya Diani kuria aratwarirwo undu uria uguciire mawoni matiganite gatagati ka Kenya.
The suspect had maliciously damaged some items in the room. A quick search was conducted by the officers and traces of hard drugs, which is suspected to be cocaine, was found.
Kurigana na OCPD wa Msambweni Robinson Langat thutha wa mwekero uyu kuhingurwo thitango ni agucokio bururi wao.
He was arrested and booked in Diani police station. During search at the station, the suspect turned violent and he went ahead and abused the officers by spitting on them and blowing the mucus to one of the officers.
Ona gutuika Raiya uyu ni acungite muhera akiuga ari na murimu wa guthogomanirwo ni meciria. Borithi ni maugite no nginyagia agendi othe aria maroka bururi-ini magatiaga mawatho na mitaratara ya bururi.
Apologies. I had a psychosis. I want to stay here. I want to live in this country, invest in this country.
Why did you have to abuse your girlfriend?
I have just applied for an investor permit. I want to do business here. I want to help the people of Kenya.
Have some respect.
I will have respect. My apologies that I was shouting and misbehaving. My apologies, sincere.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV retore kwa ni Mwaura wa Dungu.